The World Health Organization's chief scientist Soumya Swaminathan has said that India's ban on export of coronavirus vaccines had a severe impact on 91 countries. 91 countries are impacted by the shortage of supplies, particularly since the AstraZeneca parent company has not been able to compensate for the doses which have not come from Serum Institute of India, Swaminathan said in an interview. She added that these countries were vulnerable to the new, more transmissible strains, including the B.1.617.2 coronavirus variant first found in India. Not just B.1.617.2, but other variants will emerge in other countries and spread around the world, she told NDTV. We know that these variants spread very quickly. Even before they can be recognized, they are already spreading around the world. The same thing happened with the B.1.1.7 variant, now dominant, she said. Under the agreement with AstraZeneca made in 2020, the Serum Institute was expected to provide 1 billion doses to countries with low and middle income, according to NDTV. In 2020 alone, the Indian vaccine manufacturer was supposed to provide 400 million shots. Their delivery was carried out through Gavi, the Global Alliance for Vaccines. Swaminathan said that most African countries had not only vaccinated under 0.5% of their population but had also not inoculated all their healthcare workers. If we continue having this inequitable distribution of available vaccines, we will see some countries going back to some degree of normalcy in their life, while other countries are hit very hard and continue to be hit hard by subsequent waves, she said. On the other hand, the Indian government's coronavirus vaccine policy has been severely criticized, with opposition parties repeatedly questioning the need for exports. News Desk, Kaumudy English.